This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shira Bhagavatula. Welcome to Peace Creek Reserve. Here is a new construction home for rent with a beautiful pond view. Come check out this amazing home complete with 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. This open concept floor plan home comes with a beautiful living room, kitchen and dining area combination along with a half bath on the main floor. The heart of the home has a quartz center island that overlooks the dining and family room, great for entertaining. As you go up to the second floor you will find a nice loft area and surrounding that are the other bedrooms and bathrooms. The owner suite features an expansive bedroom that is connected to a spa-inspired owner bathroom with his and her sinks, large shower and a roomy walk-in closet. This home comes fully equipped with everything included features like new appliances, solid surface countertops throughout and oversized tile flooring in the wet areas. This home is what you have been looking for, a brand new home in a beautiful master plan community of new